Welcome to Credible Academy. This is CIIT Saharanpur YouTube channel, and so today I am going to show you how to connect MySQL database to PHP script. Before you can get content out of your MySQL database, you must know how to establish a connection to MySQL from inside a PHP script. To perform basic queries from within MySQL is very easy. So this video will show you how to write HTML code with PHP script and how to connect to MySQL database. Let's get started. So I'm going to create some front end using HTML tags. I'm using a form tag, and you must know the importance of form tag and why form tag is important. So using PHP, you must know all these steps. So I'm just going to row of table, which includes name, label, and input tags. By default text it is. So I'm just copy it and paste it to create different rows. By the name of DB, and inside the folder I'm just going to mention a name of my file, index.php or whatever you want, .php extension. So here it is.
Mention the correct URL, like I'm using localhost. Make it email. So I wrote two rows. The first one is name and the second one is email. I'm refreshing it. Now I just open my Phpmyadmin, and I'm just going to create a database by the name of DB test. I've created a database, and now I'm just going to add a table. So in the name field,
name of table and how many columns you want to create. So I want to create 3 rows, 3 columns, one for ID and second for name and third for email. And what kind of column they are, like varchar, integer and int. And you have to mention, if you are using varchar, the length. And I also check AI. So host, this almost always refers to localhost unless you are connecting to an external database. User, this is the MySQL user you want to connect with. Keep in mind the user must be assigned to the database. Password, this is the password for the username you just entered in. And DB name, this refers to the database name which uses to connect. This is PHP method MySQLi underscore connect, and there are 4 parameters: host, user, password and DB name. And this is what we call connection.php. If there is no suitable connection, the message will show could not connect to the database.
It returns a connection string. I'm just going to save that particular file on the same directory. So I want to check it whether it is working or not. Yeah, here it is. There is no error. This means that it is working.
Now come back to the main file, which was index.php. I'm just going to add PHP tag, some PHP script. This is one more option like include. I'm just going to include that particular file which we have created before, connection.php, and I just want to test it.
There is a condition, and I'm just going to check whether the method which I have created before a button, submit button, is clicked or not by the help of isSet function. If submit is clicked, then the message will show yes. You have to mention action. I use post, and there is two mention. There are two methods.
And mention the column which you want to insert the query, values, and which values you want to insert. We have fetched two values, name and email. Make sure the double quotes and periods. If the query is successfully inserted, the message will show. Else part, if there is any error, an error message. I am going to use main function, which is MySQLi underscore.
Query, and you have to pass a parameter which is query, which is connection.
Now save it and run the file. We don't have any result, so now I'm going to refresh my page. Insert basic query, insert name and email. I'm just going to add another query, sample name with sample name and email, and then submit. Again, successfully inserted. Okay,
Second query. So this is how we can connect PHP script to MySQL database. So overview of that you have to mention.
how to get input data and use MySQL underscore query. It's a boolean return method. If it returns true, this means your query has been successfully inserted. So this is all about how to create how to create database connection between MySQL and PHP. So thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.